All right, St. Lucie and Indian River counties also heading back to school, as we mentioned today, but not all smooth sailing. In fact, kids at one school in Vero Beach will see some changes because of mold problems. WPTV News Channel 5's Alyssa Hyman is live at Osceola Magnet School with what parents need to know on this first day. Alyssa?
Right, well, according to our partners at tcpom.com, there was mold found in 3 of the wings here at the school. The district says it has taken steps to clean and inspect those 3 wings, but there will be some changes for the first week of school until the district gets the all clear. Now, while Osceola Magnet School waits for those 2 air quality tests to come back, students will head home early this week at 1:40 in the afternoon. And for the parents who simply don't feel it's safe enough to send their kids until those tests come back, their kids will receive excused absences. School officials tell us 2 mold removal companies have come in to clean and inspect those 3 wings. The wings are the 600, 700, and 800 wings. In the meantime, the students will be relocated to areas where there was no evidence of any mold at all. Those rooms are rooms like the music room and the art room. Reporting live tonight in Vero Beach, Alyssa Hyman, WPTV News Channel 5.